Good morning, class. Today we will take the first chapter of social study or history, that is French Revolution. French Revolution, one of the main and popular revolution in the world, because of this revolution today in democracy, whatever the right we are enjoying, we got the inspiration, or the country which are becoming now democracies, they got this inspiration from this uh, revolution. And because our country's leader like Raja Ram Mohan Rai got inspired from French Revolution and wanted that the right, such kind of right should be here in our country. So basically here we are observing three rights have been written, that is liberty, equality, fraternity. The time period of this evolution was 1789 to 1815. Here we can see that this is one of the era in which that this happened. Now, if we talk about any revolution, why the revolution take place? The reason behind is that when a mass, or again a majorly section of the society is not enjoying the right, suppression is there, torture is there, and oppression is there, monarch is not taking care of the rights of the people. So it happens like the revolution. When we talk about, when we compare in India, the revolution took place of independence. So many things are there, you read recently in 8th class, like the revolt of 1857, what was happening in our country, all things we know about. So revolution is a part when people are unsatisfied, discontent from the monarch rule or from the existing ruling government. So it happens then. So when we talk about what is French Revolution, so we'll see here in the chapter. Now what a days means nowadays, in the days we are enjoying the rights, or we have thoughts of liberty, freedom, equality, okay, which is very popular, and we cannot live without all these rights. And like everything had its own history, same way even these ideas have their own history, means how the people got liberty, how the people got equality, how the people got fraternity in the society. Because earlier when monarchy was there, it was not, because you can see here in these words it has been written, the end of monarchy system in France, means as soon as it over got over, so what happened means the people had their own rights, and they got freedom, they got equality, they got fraternity, and system like which is based on federalism, you will see they established in their country, but it was not fully, but somewhere it was there. So French Revolution is the part of history, and French Revolution is the end of the monarchy system in France, and the declaration of the rights of men, means rights of the men. One, some rules regulations were written, like a constitution was written there firstly, and during the revolution announced the coming of the new time. Though it was firstly some rights were written, 12 rights were there in that declaration of rights of men, and people accepted, they were happy because some changes they brought in their country after this revolution. So here we knew about what was the French Revolution, but after you can say after this we'll see some storyboard, by that you can understand what happened in French Revolution and why the revolution took place, what was happening in 18th century. So I show you the storyboard, and after that we'll discuss some characters which are about to come in the chapter. Okay, here we see storyboard. From that particular you will understand about how the revolution took place and what was happening, and in the whole chapter what will we face. The storyboard says about the revolution and everyday life. What was it? Was around the king, and the king was Louis XVI. And Louis XVI, what he was doing? French society during the late 18th century, firstly, it was dividing into some sections. Another, when we come to French Revolution took place, break of revolution, and France became constitutional monarchy. The power distributed, legislature, executive and judiciary, as it happens in federalism. Rights like freedom, equality, and fraternity were introduced. Another, when we come to, did women have a revolution? Definitely they have revolution. So when monarchy was constitutional monarchy started, so after that what happened? The reign of terror started. Reign of terror means in that particular, when he left his seat, this person left his seat, so a dictator came who was Robespierre, rule in France, and was known as reign of terror. After him, because dictatorship was not continue for a long period of time, only 1 year, it continued. So directory rules, rise of Napoleon was there, and after that, abolition of slavery took place. Women started their own political clubs and newspapers and voiced their interest. Slavery was abolished in 1848. And another major thing we see here, that is why French Revolution took place, because of some substance crisis occurred. They were bed harvesting. Why bed harvesting? We know that France or European country, they are on temperate zone. Generally, bed harvest take place. Why? Because of excessive uh, cold temperature, because crop failure take place, and increase of price of bread means always price rise take place. Then gap between the rich and poor, because when poor people are more and rich people are less, but most of the property in the hands of rich people, so that's why it took place. तो revolutionary against the taxes, किस चीज के लिए था against? It was against of increasing the taxes. Social groups emerges, philosopher emerges. If you see, any of the revolution take place, as I told you, because of some sufferings. People are not happy. They were not satisfied with the existing rulers. Why? Because of increase in the taxes, and social groups emerge. It means now people start thinking over the problem, why it is happening. And philosopher emerges. The female philosopher means here like the educated class. Okay. When we proceed to some of the another segment of that, we must know the characters of which are coming in the French Revolution. So they are firstly king and queen. They are the iconic figure of this chapter because they were highly rich and living in luxurious life. Luxurious, you can understand, means there is no any lack in their life, whether it is in the country, whether the people are suffering with lots of difficulties, but the king was spending lavishly all the money on his own expenses, or means whatever the luxury he wanted, he was getting in the palace. So Louis XVI was last Bourbon king. Bourbon king means he belonged to the Bourbon dynasty of France, and he was executed of treason by Guillotine in 1793 because people went against of him, and he was executed with one kind of device, that is guillotine. He was beheaded in front of the people. I'll share some pictures in the chapter. The chapter will come. Here we are discussing introduction. Mary Antoinette, that is, she was the king, and she belongs to Austria. The date are not very much important for. It's not very much important because you know only about the role of them, what they were doing. So they were enjoying the life of palaces, and she belongs to Austria. And if we see that she is very beautiful lady. Now another character is Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte, he was a military leader who led several successful campaigns, and he crowned himself Emperor of France in 1804. Why? Because when he saw that democracy established, means monarchy, constitution was there, constitutional monarchy was there, after that democracy came, then after reign of terror means dictatorship came, and there was lots of chaotic environment in the country. So he grabbed the opportunity and he became the dictator of that country, that is France, and he established himself as a dictator. But he was not a bad dictator. Sometimes he brought good thing in not only France but nearby country in Europe. The main character, the reign of terror in which we discussed, that was Maximilian Robespierre. Maximilian Robespierre was an important personality in France. Why? Because when monarchy was there, some system of club was very much popular, and people learned. Club is not like a today's when we say the club, like in which people are playing, dancing, something else. But there, the means of club was that the political activities people learn there, because at that time they were not satisfied with their monarch, so they wanted that monarchy should not be in the country, and that's why they joined these club. So there was one famous club there, that was Jacobin club, and he was the leader of Jacobin club. So he was very popular, and after when monarch was beheaded, he was executed, he became the dictator of the country, and he was best known and most influential figure in the French Revolution. Another character you will see in the chapter, that is Mirabeau. He was a noble person, and he was the national hero of the country, and he made the thing popular among the people, and he was a good orator. This is the characteristic of him. Montesquieu, Rousseau, and Voltaire, these were the philosophers who wrote beautifully books and inspired the people of the country, so and they changed the mindset of the people, and they went against of the monarchy, because they made the people literate by their books, and spread a great influence over the society. So their role cannot be forgotten, because they changed the people IQ, and people wanted that there should be no monarchy. So today till here we discussed, and in the next video we'll take the points which are coming in the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.